So guys, in this video I'll be sharing with you guys how to import, all right, from Dubai. All right, as you can see, this is my TikTok page. All right, so as you can see, this is my TikTok page. Okay, so this is my TikTok page, guys. So you can see Legend Plenty Pere. All right, so this is my TikTok page. All right, so this is my TikTok page. Okay, guys, so in this video I'll be sharing with you how to import gadgets. Either if you want to import anything from Dubai, anything. Okay, anything. If you want to import anything, all right, like if you want to start buying phone, if you want to start buying bags, shoes, anything from Dubai, you can search for any suppliers in Dubai. So right now I'll be going to my search bar. All right, I'll be going to my search bar, which is although this person you are seeing here is one of my supplier. All right, so this is my search bar. As you can see where the arrow is pointing, guys, where the arrow is pointing, so you can go there and search for. So you can go like this with this tab here. You can see, okay, let's use this one. I was the one that typed it. So iPhone 7 price in Dubai. So you will click on it. So let's click on it. As you can see, these are suppliers in Dubai. All right, suppliers. You can see these are suppliers. These are suppliers. These are suppliers. Not only the iPhone, they sell different kind of phone. All right, they sell different kind of phone. You can find Infinix phone, Samsung, Oppo, Vivo, any kind of phone, Redmi, Poco, all of them. Any phone that you are searching for, you can find them. All right, in Dubai. As you can see, this is different suppliers. All right, these are different suppliers. These are different supplier. So if you search, if you see that any of them that you have interest on, all right, if you have any interest on anyone that you want to buy from, all right, you can just go and click on the purchase page. When you click on the purchase page, all right, when you click on this purchase page, you can see this supply is selling is iPhone for this iPhone for 60 dirham. All right, is selling for 60 dirham. All right, you can see this other supplier. All right, this guy is also selling iPhone. Let's click on his profile. So you can see this particular supplier. So if you know you want to do business with this person, if you want to do business with this person, you can see this place. You say WhatsApp. This is his number. Or if you don't want to press there, you can click on this particular place. Please watch carefully. Oh. Look at this place. This place they say phone. That phone, that place that say phones. All right, you can click it. All right, this is address. This is the email. So if you want to do business with the person, you click on the number, then it will take you. Then you will follow. You will talk to this very supplier. Or if you see the product that you want to buy, that you want to purchase, all right, you can just screenshot it and tell him this is what you want to buy. You see this on his page, and you are interested in this particular product. If it is phone, if it is clothes, anything that you want to buy, you can search them. You can use that method that you use, all right, to search for any of the supplier. All right, you can use that method to search for them. Use that method. You can see this one but for this one we are just talking about phones. You can buy Infinite, Techno phones, Infinite, any phones. You can start buying them. If you want to buy in bulk, if you want to do the business, all right. Now let's talk about how to ship it to your location. So this is one of the important thing you need to know. All right, so if you want to start buying these products, all right, and start bringing them to your location and start selling and have good money for yourself, making good profits, all right, there's there's the agent, all right, which I work with. They're also the shipping company, all right. So when I see product that I want to buy, I will contact that my agent. I'll say this is the product I want to buy. He will ask me, then he will tell me to send his number or share his location to that my supplier. All right, my supplier will not be the one to maybe from that in that to descend Dubai, you know that Dubai is not that too big, all right? So it will take my the things that I've purchased for that my supplier will now be those things to my supplier to my agent, because that agent they are also the shipping company. If you also want them to buy for you, they can also buy for you. All right. If you are in Dubai, you can also use them. All right. You can also use them. So this particular my agent, which is my the shipping company as well, when my supplier gets to them, if I buy anything, any gadget, okay, for instance, this gadget, let's go for one of the random, let's go for one. So you can see this supplier is selling this iPhone 8. He's selling this iPhone 8, all right, for look. This is the fixed price, guys. iPhone 8, all right. Let's go. Just iPhone 8. Look at it. This iPhone 8 is just 99 dirham. All right, this iPhone 8 is 99 dirham. All right, so let's go to our calculator and and calculate this to naira. All right, so let's go to calculator. So I've already calculated this. Okay, so this is the current rate for new dirham 4448. That is 448 naira in one dirham, to equivalent to 1 naira now is 448. All right, so I will times it to that suppliers. What the supplier is selling it for 99 dirham, right? That iPhone 8. So you can see now that iPhone 8 now is selling for 44,352 naira. So guys, you can see, man, more see. And if you want to ship this particular item, this phone, if you want to ship it, all right, if you want to ship it, it only take up to 2 days, 2 to 3 days to get to their warehouse here in Lagos. So they will call me for pickup. Then normally I don't base in Lagos. I base in Edo State, Benin City. They will web it to me. All right, they will web it to me. So this is how to import. All right, from this is how to import. All right, from Dubai. So this is how to import. If you want to import anything at all, you use this method that I'm just showing you. You can also find these particular suppliers. You can find them on TikTok. Not only on TikTok, you can find them on Instagram, YouTube. You can find them on YouTube. You can find them on Facebook. But majorly me myself, I source directly from YouTube. Okay, it's just the same as Bangladesh. All right, you can also source all your suppliers here on this TikTok. You can see this supplier now. This supplier is selling his product, this iPhone. So this supplier now is selling for 50 dirham. All right, selling for 50 dirham. So if you use that my method I use, normally I'm from Nigeria, so if you want to use it now, you can use it and times it to your own local currency. All right, now the local currency, the our the 4448 times the dirham, you are going to get it. All right, if you are from Ghana, you can use it. That 48448, you use it to exchange your own local currency, so you will get it in this amount. So this is to know how much they are selling in the rand. You can see this one is selling his iPhone for 50 dirhams, and they have them in bulk. So these are big dealers. So if you want to buy, you can see. If you want to also take this particular supplier's contact, you can see it. Just click on this place. You can see, or click on this particular place. Okay, just click on it and chat the suppliers up. When you have negotiate price with the supplier, you have buy everything that you want to buy from the suppliers. You have arranged everything you want to arrange with the suppliers. Then you will contact your agent, which is the shipping company. They are also the one that ship your goods to their warehouse. Okay, they ship all over the world. They can ship to outside the country. They can ship to Ghana. They can ship to any part of the world. They can ship. They can also help you buy. They can also help you source. So if you know you are interested in going into this business, either you want to start buying anything gadget from Dubai. All right, this particular supplier, they also sell laptops. You can see that they sell laptop in bulk. In bulk, all right, they sell laptop in bulk. So these are 85 dirham, 85 dirham, 85 dirhams. Okay, these are I think these are iPad, all right, which don't take a long time. They don't take long time to arrive in Nigeria. Even in any part of the world, they don't take time. If you order today, don't take up to 3 to 2 days. You get your product, you get your item you order. All right, so you can see it, guys. So if you want to start importing, just DM me. Okay, for you don't to just DM me for the number. All right, just DM me, guys. All right, just DM me. I will put you through. All right, just DM me. All right, just DM me, guys. Just DM me. Okay, there are a lot of business to do. All right, thank you guys for watching. And if you find this video, if you find value in this video, please don't forget to like this channel. Don't forget to like, put nice comments. Any question, you are free to ask me any questions. You are free. You are free. Okay, ask me any question. I'm going to answer every of your questions, guys. Thank you. Please don't forget to comment. Don't forget to like this channel. Thank you. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys.